welcome back to the channel. So today we're down at Santa Pod with Unit 82 and Ecotune. Ecotune are currently trying to break the world record for the fastest Rs3. No one's ever ran in 8 seconds and the test run was a 9.2, so they've definitely got it in them today. So yeah, let's see what today brings. So stay tuned if you want to see if Ecotune set the world record. So we've just headed up to the stand and I'm just going to show you what cars are here, what are running down the strip, and yeah, enjoy. So it looks like we've got the bikes up first and then there's a few cars in the queue as well. Still beats Alex's Corsa from last time. He hasn't even finished? Or does he only do like an 8? Oh, bless him.
Hi guys, my name's...
What's happening? My name is Junior.
Lucio?
No, my name is Junior, the best mechanic in Unit 82.
Yeah, my name's Lucio Xavier the Mothers. Isn't it? No.
Fuck off.
Nicely done.
Down there, Persian Nitro's taking on the Nissan Micra. First run of the day for the Escort. Obviously got Jose Lake tyres on the front.
Definitely not.
Nice, but
Good, but when
that's 75 speed.
So Ecotune have just upped the boost on launch, so hopefully this time around they'll be able to beat the record and get into the 8s. But it looks like this might be the last run, to be honest, because it's about an hour queue just to get down the strip. Strip and show you basically what's here and what's racing. Got some people going all out today. Drag spec. It's nice that though, isn't it? And then we've got Jordan's Raptor. So Jordan's 720's been on the channel as well. When did this show up?
Run at 8.7.
I actually like that, you know. It's sick. It's classed as pickup, that's the one. Some people on the side here who aren't racing or are having a break. I don't think I've seen these on track. I always wanted a Beetle when I was little. I think it was just because of Herbie, but now I feel like I still want a Beetle. Should I get a Beetle and do this for the channel?
Yeah, full drag.
Yeah, drag Beetle, Beetle Buckley. That was such a bad shout there. What this has? Yeah, it was rapid like. That's nice. I like that. I feel like that should be on like I think he has been drifting it as well. Oh, and here's Simon.
I thought you said his was too.
What even is that? Because that looks like serious. Bloody hell. I mean, I think the parachute says everything for it, like. But yeah, this is really good down track, down the strip even.
The steering wheel.
What? That's the steering wheel. And you just gotta hold on for dear life with that. I half want to go in one of these, you know. you reckon there's anywhere where like you can just hire out drag bloody car things? If there is, let me know. I want to. I'm gonna go get him, I'm gonna go get him, I'm gonna go get him. Hi. When did that turn up? Honestly, I literally haven't saw that all day, otherwise I would have been crying. Well done. And there we have it. We have Europe's fastest RS3 and it's on Ecotune software under about 1,000 brake. That ran a 8.9, so it was just in the 8. So what a nice way to end the video with Ecotune. Okay. Ecotune actually beaten the record for the fastest RS3 in Europe. What a day it's been. Yeah, so hope you liked the video. If you have, please like, comment what your favourite part of the video was, or if you're now looking at Ecotune's get mapped by. Unit 82 also do supply Ecotune maps, so make sure to check them out. I'll leave all their links and everything in the description. But yeah, bye for now.